This is my unsponsored review of Appsheet.com. I'm giving it a 2 out of 5. I did not like it at all. Let's get into the review. So this is Appsheet. It's Appsheet.com. It is allegedly Google's take on a no-code app builder, and that sounds pretty good up front. It looks like it's pretty AI focused, so they say that Gemini is what you're working with. You can use it as an AI collaborator and to help you build the app, which is interesting. But unfortunately, this is priced for enterprise companies to use. That means that you can only really use it for prototyping. You get 10 users at no cost, and then after that, it's priced per user per month. It is simply not feasible. If you have 100 users, you're paying $500 per month for this tool. That's like almost 10 times what you're going to get with other tools for just 100 users. So individuals and teams aren't just going to be able to use this at all. It is purely going to be for prototyping, but regardless, let's look into it. So I'm marking the pricing is 3 out of 3. It's for enterprise companies. I'm just going to put enterprise in the monthly cost, and it does have a free tier. Okay, I'm inside testing it out. I can start with Gemini, explore templates, or over on the left, I can go to app and blank app. I like to start with a blank app. Let's just go with that. This is kind of weird, actually. They have their own AppSheet database built in. I don't understand why they don't just use Google Sheets. I feel like that would make sense naturally. And that's part of the appeal of other app builders, too. But I guess it does look pretty similar to Google Sheets. Looks pretty easy to use. You add a column, text. We got all the classic stuff here. Yeah. Okay, the app builder is pretty kind of standard, what you'd expect. It's not really drag and drop. It's sort of just, I was able to publish it and do everything pretty easily. But it's not what you'd usually expect. It's kind of just a series of pages with different views for data. There's not really like buttons that you can add and stuff like that. It doesn't feel like a visual editor. It kind of just feels like a customization screen. Yeah, low key, this is just data. That's so weird. So I'm like not super sold even on the builder. Yeah, and I'm not even like super, they only have 3 video tutorials and like 3 articles. That's not like that's because there's like nothing that this does. It does like very little. I'm shocked. I thought Google would have built something nicer. I'll say it's easy, not hard to use, but not a lot of functionality. So I'm giving it a 2 out of 5. It just doesn't compete with other app builders on the market for anybody in a small team, an individual like myself or a startup. It just doesn't work. So yeah, 2 out of 5. Cool. If you'd like to see other no-code tools that I have been reviewing, I have a big list of like 500 at beta.co. You can go and sort through the list and find a tool that actually works for you. Thanks for watching.